Okay, okay. Okay, hi, welcome to yloc. Lesson number 13. We will start with some warm-ups. So the first one is x to the power of -3. And since we don't know what x is yet, we're not going to do anything about that. And -3, we can't have negative exponent. So we're going to flip it over, so it's 1 over x to the exponent. Power of 3, okay? Let's go to number 2. 3x -3, x -4. We can minus this, -3. So it's just x -1. So 3x -1. You can't have a negative exponent, so we will flip it over, which means it will be x over 3. Number 3 is w over 7, w -2. Okay, we can minus this and minus this out. 7 minus 2 is 5, obviously, so w to the power of 5 is the answer. Next is 2x to the power of 3, 4x to the power of -4. We can minus that out, and then we can get -1 here. So it's 2, 4x, -1. Flip this over, that will be 4x over 2. But we can also simplify this, right? So that'd be 1, that'd be 2, so you get 2x as your final answer. Cool. Next one. Not so bad, right? I hope not. 3x -2 over 4x 4. Minus that out. -2, that'd be 2, so that'd be 3, 4x squared. You can't really do anything about that right now because you don't know what x is yet, so that's the answer. 6 is x times x3 over x3. Why this dial like that? x3. And look, whoa, x goes out. Well, cross it out, which means you have just x. Cool. 3c -2, c9. Minus that out, minus 2 out of here. So you get 3c over 7. Yep. Then 5r -3, 2r 5. And what we can do here is minus 3 out and minus 3 out here too. So it's 5 2r squared. Capiche? Okay, next one. Let's see. Blue. X -5, x -2. Okay, we can plus this out. We can plus this out. That's canceling out. And that would equal x to -3. We can flip it over, which means it's 1 over x3. 10 is 4x. -2 over 2x. Well, we can cancel this out right now, which means it's 2x -2 over 1. Flip it over because the exponent is negative. So it's 1 over 2x squared. 4x5 over 5x6. You can minus 5 out. So that's just for 5x. 3xy negative 5. Okay, for this one, it's not like this, right? It's not parentheses, so it's not negative power of negative 5 for every single one. So it's just this, okay? You're just going to flip the y. So it's 3x over y 5. Now let's go to the fun stuff. Let's see, let's do some purple. Okay, x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay. X. I'm assuming you know your foiling and your factoring. You have to know them. Plus 2 plus 1. You know why? X squared plus x plus 2x, which is 3x, and then plus 2, right? So, yeah. X equals negative 2 and x equals negative 1. You should know this. X squared minus 4x plus 3. Well, x and x. That's what we start off with first. Well, negative 3 and negative 1. Because x squared minus 3x minus x is 4x, right? Then minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Okay? So the answer would be 1 and 3. Next is x squared minus 6x minus 27. You factor this starting with x's again. And if you see, you have to find the factors of 27, right? Let's just state them out right here. 3, 9. Well, it's just those two. So, okay, plus 3 minus 9. Because x squared minus 9x plus 3x is 6x. And then negative 27. So x would equal negative 3 and 9. X squared minus 9x plus 20. X minus 4, x minus 5. You know why? X squared minus 5x minus 4x is negative 9x. Negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. So x would be 4 and 5. Cool. Pause if you need to. Just saying. Okay, last one. I will explain a little bit for this one. Okay, scientific notation. Right? And what they mean by that is a way of writing very large or very small numbers, right? And numbers written in scientific notation when numbered between 1 and 10 is multiplied by a power of 10. So, like, for example, I'll do an example here. 650 million. Right? That's a very big number. This can be written into scientific notation as 6.5 times 10, 8, right? Because the decimal dot is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 spaces. That's why it's 8. So this is a way you can make it smaller, basically. Let's try this out here, shall we? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So this would be 4.3. Because we only want the first tenth place. So we have to round. In this case, you want this to be bigger. Oh, wait, okay. I want you to disregard everything I've done right now. It's okay, we all make mistakes. Okay, look. A small dot. You want to stop here, okay? You want to stop here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 10, 5. So that'll be 42, 5.9. Okay? That's the actual one. Just erase the thing I just said. Please don't. Okay, in this case, we're going backwards. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 10, -6, because we're going backwards. And 57.4. Okay, and what about this? Okay. Well, you're telling us to go back, right? Well, but first, we should probably take this back out again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 2, 0, 0, 7, 5, 0, 0, right? For this, you want to stop here, okay? So 1, 2, and 3. So 10, 3 times 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 7.5. Okay? Okay, in this case, this is going backwards, right? So backwards by 4 is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dot here, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0.0000, not 6. Okay. I'm getting too ahead of myself. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 ahead. 3 zeros, 1, 6, 8, 5. Okay. You want to have that right here. And if you want to do that, we have to go back in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 10, 6 times 168.5. Okay? So we're just trying to collapse or like rebuild. Okay, so just collapse and inflate, basically. We're trying to make it smaller or bigger using exponents. Cool? Okay. Well, it's positive me too, and if you have any more questions, you probably have your own textbook. You can look more online on YouTube or something. I'm not sure if this video is in any help, so. Okay, thank you.